Good morning, children. Next question, exercise 9.8. Question number 4. Check this problem. The first three questions are already over. Now, one straight line, one parabola is given. Find the area of the region bounded by the line and the parabola is asking. Very first step, the parabola intersect x-axis at y. As for y is what? X square minus 2x equal to 0. X is common. Am I right? Up x equal to 0, 2. That means what? The parabola cos equal to 0, 2. First idea over. Now to find the points on the side, solve one. Am I right? This also is also. Am I right? That's why from 1 to both will be equal to 2x plus 5 equal to x square minus 2x. Am I right? So 0 is equal to x square minus 2x minus 2x minus 5. Am I right? All them on the side. अब x square minus 4x plus minus 5 equal to 0. Now multiplication is not minus 5, sub is minus 2. What are the number? 1 minus 5. X minus 5, x plus 1 equal to 2. X minus 5 0 means x equal to 5. After y equal to what? Y equal to, right now, 2 into 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 5, that is 15. The 5 point is 5 comma 15 from the point. Similarly, x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. Y equal to what? 2 into minus 1 plus 5, that is minus 2 plus 3, that is 3. Am I right? Therefore, point is minus 1 3. Now only draw diagram. Is here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5 going on. The parabola intersects x-axis. X-axis y equal to 0. What is the answer? X equal to 0, 2. X equal to 0, 2. The parabola is passing through 0, 2. That's very important. Now plot the points 3, minus 1. Am I right? 3, minus 1. Then one more point 5, minus 5. Minus 1, 3 here. 2, 4. It's going to be minus 1. Here. One more point 5, 15 here. 5, 15. Am I right? What is asking now? From here to am I right? Draw the line. Actually, this point is minus 1, 3. Here 5, 15. No? To draw a line, we need only 2 points. No? This area is asking. Am I right? For limit is what? Minus 1 to 5 limit. Am I right? Here actually what? The line is above the region. The parabola is below the region. That's very important. Listen here. This x-axis. Integrate with this x-axis. This x-axis. The below x-axis line is what? From top is the line is there. Below is parabola is there. That's why the line, the area of the line minus area of the parabola. That's very important. What is the formula? Area equal to, what is the formula? A to B, y g minus yl. Already told you, this is the greatest area, lowest area. Correct? That means what? A to B. A is what? Minus 4 to 5 is the beginning. Now what I told you? Greatest area is side line. The side line from straight line to x is the max area. The parabola to x is the minimum area. Our line is what? Y is represent 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 minus lowest area is what? The parabola area. It's very important. That will be the positive answer. Now simplify minus 1 to 5. 2x plus 5 minus x square plus 2x. Am I right? 4x plus 5 minus x square is. Now integrate, we get the answer. 4 into x square by 2 plus 5x x cube by 3 is all. Okay? Now what I told you? Upper limit 5 square minus 1 whole square. Okay? This is easy for you. Plus 5 into upper limit 5 minus half minus 1 minus the 3 no. Here 5 cube minus half minus 1 whole cube. Upper limit minus 1. Now simplify 2 into 25 minus 1. 5 into 5 plus 1. Here 125 minus half minus 1 plus 1. Now 2 into 24 plus 5 into 6 minus 126 by 3. Now multiply 48 plus 30 minus 123 by 3. 1 to 3, no, cancel, no, formatting 4 times, 40 times. 42, 72. Am I right? 6 times 6 times. That's all. Am I right? When 2 equals given, first step, the parabola passing through 0, 2. You want to guess the point. That parabola always passes through 0 and 2. Next is compare to the line. Solve 1 and 2. You get the points. Plot the point, try line. Now what is that mean? The area of the straight line bound by the parabola. That is what? From here to here, the parabola only asking. I am finding the whole area minus remaining area. That is the answer. From straight line area means the whole area you must find. After the parabola area means the remaining part alone. Subtract both, we get this answer. That's why formula is what? Yg minus Yl. G represent the greatest area. This is least area. That's all. That's the meaning. Or simply y1 minus y2. Also you will write. No problem. y1 minus y2. The formula is what? y1 minus y2. y1 is what? Represent the maximum area. Next one minimum area. Then only we get the positive answer. Suppose you write first parabola, the second mean negative answer coming. That is wrong. You will change. Greatest area minus widest area. That's why you will find area of the straight line bound with the parabola y1 minus y2. That is also correct formula. Here yg minus y. G represent greatest area. Then L represent least area. From the straight line to x axis, that is maximum area. The parabola to this area, that is what x axis area, minimum area here. That's why line minus parabola. In this way you want to apply. Next question, find the area of the region bounded between the curves y equals sin x and y equals cos x. The limits are all 0 to 5. These are given. From 1 and 2, combining both, we get sin x and cos x. The sin x cos x will be equal when x equal to 45 degree. 5 by 4. Am I right? Now when sin 0 is what? 0. Sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 2, 1. Sin is what? 0. Because 0 to pi is given, pi is given, that's why I will consider 0 pi by 4 pi by 0. Cos 0, 1. Cos pi by 2, 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 0. Cos pi is minus 1. Am I right? In this way, put the box. Now draw the diagram. Diagram is 0. Am I right? Here, pi by 2, pi by 4. Pi by 2, then pi. In this way going on. Now first one is what? When sin 0 is what? 0. If x is 0, y also 0. But 0, 0. Then y is what? Pi by 4, 1 by 2. Next say 1. Here 1. Pi by 2 is 1. Am I correct? Then pi is what? 0. This way going on. Am I correct? X is what? 0. Am I right? Approximately pi by 4 means 1 by root 2. Pi by 2 means only 1. Am I right? Next pi is 0. Next is what? Cos x. Cos x is 0 comma 1. 0 comma here. Then pi by 2 here. Am I right? Next is what? Then pi by 2 is what? 0 here. Next, again pi is minus 1 here. This is good. Okay? We have 0 to pi only asking. Stop here. Now 0 to pi by 4 pi mean here 2 areas are there. First area, second area. Am I right? Start with 0 is represent sine curve, sin x. Cos 0 is what? Cos curve. That's important. Here, pi by 2 is there. Am I right? Pi by 2. Pi by 2, comma. What is the answer? 1 by root. It is a 2% there. I am assuming this is called A1. This area is called A2. The area is what? The same formula. Y dx here. 2 currently is not enough. That's why yg minus y dx is the formula. Now required area equal to A1 plus A2. That's very important. A1 is what? 0 to pi by 4 will be defined. Alright? 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. Here yg minus y, no? The x-axis. The Ay is what? Cos is first important. The maximum area. Cos x minus sin x. This is the formula. Next one is pi by 4 to pi. Next thing. Am I right? But here, automatically, sin is 0, cos is 0. The maximum area is here sin x. So sin x minus cos x. For an x-axis, this x-axis, the top is what? Cos x, the below is the sin x. The next one is the sin x is top, cos x is below. That's why the maximum sin, the name is cos. Now we get that. Cos x together is only sin x. Sin x is minus cos x, that is plus cos x. Limit is what? 0 to pi. Plus the sin x is minus cos becomes sin x. Now apply this what? Sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4 minus sin 0 plus cos 0 by 4. Next plus apply minus cos pi minus sin pi minus minus cos pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2. Am I right? Now this is 1 by root 2. This is also 1 by root 2. The sin 0 0 this 1. Here minus otherwise plus minus 1 by root 2. Here also minus 1 by root 2. Minus, am I right? Sorry. Cos by is what? Cos by is what? Minus 1. 0. Here minus 1 by root 2. Here minus 1 by root 2. Now adding both 2 by root 2 minus 1, here plus 1, here minus 2 by root 2, no, already minus plus. This will be cancelled. Adding both the 2 plus 2, 2 is no, plus 2, 4 by root 2. We told our root, no, multiply root 2 by root 2. We get as a 4 root 2, the root 2 will only 2, after simplification, 2 root is the answer. But 2 equations are given me. Definitely we use this formula, very important. Y3 minus y1 is y1 by 2. Which one is the maximum area? Actually here this x-axis. The above is cos x there. 0 to pi by 4. Pi is cos x we get the whole area. From here to 0 to 4 x-axis. The whole area will come. But we use this area only. Because now sin x area means the area from 0 to pi by 4 by using sin x means this remaining part. This area will only become the whole area minus this area will become area. In this way here, sin x is 0, cos x is 0. That's why sin minus cos here, cos minus. In this way you want substitute there. Then after integration, apply the limit, we get answer. This is all area, no. The area also means that these are all square units. The previous 3 problems also 4 problems also put the unit. All the problem area also mean the square unit. First 4 problem are not putting square unit. In all the 4 problem area also mean put the square root. square unit. After finding the answer, write the unit also, square unit. That's important. One more question, the same method. Find the area of the region found to be there. We put tan x and the cot x and the lines are x equal to 0, x equal to y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 represent about x axis, integrate with respect to x axis. Y equal to tan x and cot x given, both will be y. From 1 to tan x and cot x. When will you equal to a? When x equal to pi by 4 will be equal for. Am I right? X equal to pi by 4 means tan 45 is 1, cot 45 is 1. Now 0, pi by 4, pi by 2, because pi by 2 up to pi by 2 will be given. When 0 means tan 0, tan 45 1, tan 90 infinity. The reverse is equal to cot 0 infinity, cot pi by 1, cot pi by 0. Now cross diagonal. Is 0. Am I right? First one tan curve is 0. Am I right? 0. 0, 0. Next one is what? Pi by 4 here. Here 1. Am I right? Pi by 4 come over here. Pi by 4 come 1 is fine. Next is what? Last is pi by 2 comma infinity going on. This is like infinity. Am I right? This is 0. X. Now the curve is actually the tan x curve is start with 0. Here is here. Start with 0, 0, 0 and pass through this one. And also third point is what? Pi by 2 comma infinity. But the curve to intersect at infinity is going on. What does it mean? Start with 0, 0, pi by 2 comma 1. Pi by 2 comma infinity is pi by 2. This pi by 2 comma infinity is going on. The curve to intersect at infinity. But not possible to draw except the similarly, next one, cot 0, this is cot 0, comma, infinity, here, etc. going on. Am I right? Next point is what? Pi by 4, comma 1, here. Next is what? Pi by 2, comma here. Some examples. Am I right? This part is asking, here, therefore x axis only asking, this part only asking. Now, to the prime. The first one is what? This is called tan x. This is called what? Cot x. This curve is cot x. Here also you find A1, A2. In A1 represent only maybe 0 to pi by 4. About x axis, only curve is what? Tan x only, not 2 equation, only tan x. Y is formula. Next one is what? Here is what? Pi by 4 comma pi, here cot x. Up here, the area of formula is A to B only y dx. Okay? Now required area equal to A1 plus A2. Okay? The A1 is what? 0 comma pi by 2. The y is tan x here. Dx. Here pi by 4 comma pi, here only cot x. That's all. Now integrate with respect to x, we get the answer. Tan x, what is the meaning of tan x? Listen here, the tan x becomes actually sin x cos x. Okay? Listen here. Differentiation of denominator is equal to exactly limit mean log of denominator is a formula. So cos x becomes minus x, minus is missing. Put here minus, put here minus. Minus. Differentiation of denominator limit log of cos x. Okay? This can be log of cos x whole inverse. Log of 1 by cos what? Secant x. So integration of tan x become log secant x after the limit 0 to pi by 4. Here cot x is what? Cos x by sin x. Okay? Cot x is cos by sin. Differentiation of sin x by cos x exactly now. That's why integral form is log of sin x. That's all. Pi by 4 comma. In this way, you want to integrate. No direct formula what? In the case of tan x and cot x, these are derived formula. Sin and tan x can be sin by cos. Already told you, one important result is differentiation of denominator is equal to exactly numerator will come log of denominator. So cos x, differentiation of cos x minus sin x, minus only this. You want to multiply outside the minus, you also minus. Now exactly minus is known. So cos x becomes minus is known. Minus log of cos x. We don't want negative. inverse. Cos x whole inverse. That will be 1 by cos. That is secant. But now cos x. Here cos x means cos by sin. Denominator sin x. Difference of sin is what? Cos x. But now cos x. This is a formula. Derivative formula. Now bring upper limit. Log of secant pi by 4 minus log of secant 0. Okay? Here log of sin pi minus log of sin pi by 4. Okay? Now secant pi by 4 cos pi by 4 means root 2. 1 by root 2. Secant pi by 4 only root 2. Log of root 2 minus secant 0 is what? 1 plus log sin 0. Log base what? 0 minus this also root 2. Am I correct? Now simplify, we get the answer. Cos pi by 4 means 1 by root 2. Secant pi by 4 means root 2. Am I correct? The last one is secant by 4 1 by root reciprocal. Last one is not 1 by root 2 because sin by 2. Okay? Sin by 2, sin 45. Sin 45 is always 1 by root 2. The previous is sin pi. Sin pi is what? So sin pi. Okay. There is 0, pi by 2. Pi by 2, pi by 2, not pi by 2. Am I correct? We have pi by 2, we also pi by 2. Pi by 2 is what? 1. Am I correct? But this is all 0. Log root 2, this is 0, this is also 0. This can be as reciprocal log of root 2 whole power minus 1. Again log 2. Now what log is the minus 1 from here. Already minus 1 plus log root 2. Log root 2 plus log root 2. 2 times log root 2. Am I correct? Am I correct? This also can be as log 2 whole square. Already power rule. The 2 is known. Log 2 root 2 whole square. So log root 2 whole square is what? 22. This is the answer. Square is the answer. But this type of problem by chance 0 to pi by 4, pi by 2 pi. This separate problem. Don't put y1 minus y2 formula. Only one area. The only tan curve, this is not curve. Both are combined together, you separate maximum area minus minimum area. But here 0 to pi by 4, they equal only tan x. Tan x, if the curve tan x, they put x axis 0 to pi by 4 in this area. Pi by 4 to pi by 2, they put x axis, this curve is cot x in this area. So a1 plus a2, that's all. We are not using the y1 minus y2 formula. Mind it. If you have the diagram, you guess the point, you plot the points, then only easy for you. Now listen here. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y square x. Then under the line is 1 and 2. But you consider that 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. Put 2 in 1. Am I right? Substitute here exponent here. Up exponent whole square equal to x. A square plus b square minus 3ab minus x equal to 2. Right in order. Minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. Product of 1 is minus plus 4. Am I right? Is 5. Product is something. Here minus 1 minus 1. X minus 1. X minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to 1 comma 4. Am I right? When x equal to 1 means, what is the y value? Y equal to 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. The point is 1 comma minus 1. When x equal to 4 means, y equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. The point is 4 comma 2. Now plot the points and plot the x-axis. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up diagram only. But anyway, draw diagram. The y squared is what type of parabola mean? Already told you y squared x means, am I right? x is what? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 3, this way going on. X square. Substitute here, or otherwise, y equals substitute here. Y equal to 0, suppose. Up x equal to here. Am I right? When x equal to 1, y equal to 1, x also here. When y equal to 2 square 4, you know, x is 4. 4 come on. In this way going on. Automatically, the parabola is out of this is a parabola. This is called open right over parabola. Open right over parabola. Y equal to x square involving this is a parabola. Open upward parabola. Okay? This is very important. Now what is x square? 1 comma minus 1 here. 1 comma minus 1 here. Approximately 4 comma 2 here. Okay? Okay? 1 is minus 1. 1 comma minus 1. Is 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2 is the point. Now what is assumed? This area we are saying. Now listen here. This area asking me the y axis no. Put the card like y limit is what? Y equal to. The y limit is what? Y equal to minus 1. From minus 1 to 2, y limit. That means integrate with the y axis is possible. The maximum area is what? The side of the area is the maximum area below. That's why area equal to integration with respect to d. That's why xd minus xl is the formula. Integration with respect to, because from the x-axis the cross lines are coming. Not possible to integrate with respect to x-axis. That's why the y-axis, this is the y-axis. Am I right? This side line. From side line is the maximum area, y-axis. Side line between y limit is what? Y equal minus 2 and 2, minus 1 to 2. Between minus 1 and 2, y-axis, side line, the whole area will come. Afterwards, means this part only, we don't want this part. That part is what? Below parabola. By using parabola curve, subtract we get the remaining area. About xd minus xl means the line having the maximum area. Alright? What is the point? Minus 1 comma 2. The better part is the side line. Y equal to x minus 2. We want x only. Y plus 2. Minus x is what? Y square with respect to that's all. Now integrate with respect to y axis what? Y square by 2. Index of 2 is 2y. Index of y square is what? Y cube by 3. Now minus 1 to 2 is the limit. 2 square minus 1 whole square by 2. Minus 2 into 2 minus r minus 1. Minus 2 cube minus 1 whole cube by 3. In this way, you want to apply upper minus 1, upper minus 1, upper minus 1. Then what is simply easy for you. Now 4 minus 1 by 2. Here 2 into 2 plus 1. Am I right? Minus here 8 minus r minus 1 plus 1 by 3. Now get 3 by 2. 2 into 3. 9 by 3 is cancelled. Again 3 by 2. Minus 6 minus 3. 3 by 2. Minus 12. Now 2 is LCM. Am I right? Sorry, here actually plus actually no, y plus 2. Y plus 2. Am I right? Only 3. Now taking into as LCM, take it as 3 by 2 plus 3. 2 is LCM. 3 plus 6. 9 by 2 square means this is important. It is also important. From the question, solve the equation, we get the 2 points. Plot the point, draw the diagram. After that, This curve is integration with respect to x is not possible because in x-axis no straight line, cross line is there. That's why integration with y-axis is possible. This is the base y, this straight line. What is the limit? Minus 1 to the limit. Area of the straight line between y equal minus 1 to 2, about y-axis, the whole area, we get the whole area of this area. Okay? This area. From this area, we do not know this one. That is called below parabola area. That should be subtracted. The circle area minus parabola area. That's all. About 5%. Now, 8th question is that here, father of a family, refer the question in the book, wishes to divide his square field bounded by x equal to 0, x equal to 4, and y equal to 4, y equal to 6, 0. Listen here, is a graph. Am I right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here this is called x equal to 4. Am I right? 4, 0 is 1 point. The y equal to 4. But 0, 4, 1 point. Am I right? One square will know. Part of it here 4, 4 will come. Am I right? This is square field. This is one square field. Listen here. Very important. This is the square field. Area of the square what is the formula? A square, A is what? 4, sine 4, 4 into 16. This area is along the curve y square into 4x. Y square into 4x means the parabola is resting in the form of this formula. This is called, okay? This is exactly what is called y square into 4x. X square into 4y means this is a parabola. This is also positive 4 plus 1. This is what? This equation is called x square equal to 4y. X square equal to 4y. Now, this square area is divided into 3 parts. Into 3 parts for this y. For this y, daughter and son. That's the part. Am I right? Let me A1, this area, this area alone, A2, this area, star, this star, this is our A3, you get 3 part, 3 area. Am I right? What is the question? First question, it is possible to divide, is the question. If so, find the area to be divided among them. First one is what? Wife, daughter, and son. It's possible to divide because x side is coming. This one parabola, this one parabola, include area A2. This is A1, this is A3. Am I right? In this 3 parts are divided exactly. First I am finding a very simple concept. First find the area of the square. That is 4 into 16. Simple concept. From that one, you will find A1 alone. This is called for his wife. A3 alone. That is what? For his son. Here A2 we want A2. From the area of the square, no? From the area of the square, you subtract A1 and A3, we get A2. Am I right? The A1 possible quite easily. Because what is that? This is the y-axis. Y is what? 0, 4. By using this parabola. This parabola is what? Y square into 4x, no? Y square 4 into x. X is formula. Substitute here, we get this area. Next, A3 means this area. 0 to 2, x limit. Here, actually, x axis, no? 0 to 4 is the limit. This is the parabola, no? The below parabola is what? This area. This parabola is what? X square into 4y. 4y into x square by 4 into y. From this parabola, integrate with respect to x axis. That's why area formation y is formula. That's why y equal to x equal to 4. This part actually A1 is represent Actually here, this is y-axis part. What is this? Limit is 0 to 4. Formula is what? X dy. That's why you must write with that x y. This idea. Here to be easy for you. What is this? Area of the square minus area of A1 and area of A3. Separate limit answer. That is easy for you. Am I right? Very important. Draw the diagram is very important. From the diagram, all are directly given. All are directly given. This actually x equal to 4, y equal to 4, x 0, y 0, 4 parts. This is square. X and y are equal, that's why it is square. That's very important. Am I right? So directly given one. Given x equal to 4, x equal to 0, y equal to 4, y equal to 0. Therefore, the points are 0, 0, 4, 4, here 4, 0, am I right? And 0, 4. From the data, you place the point. This is easy for you. Plot the point, all right. First of all. Now, area of the square. First point, area of the square. Area of the square. You got what? A square. A square is what? 4 into 4. 16 square is the first answer. Am I right? Now I am finding A1. Area A1. Area A1 represent C to D x dy. Yeah? Integration with respect to y axis possible. 0 to 4. X y is what? X y here. This one you know. Y squared by 4 dy. Now 1 by 4 is constant. 0 to y squared dy. Now integration of y squared becomes y power 3 by 3. 0 to 4. Now y 1 by 12. Upper limit minus lower limit. Am I right? 1 by 12 into 4 to 64. Am I right? Next step here cancel. 64 by 4th level. Am I right? 4th level. So 3 times, component 1 times, 26 times. So 16 by 3. This is the area A1 square. First one over. Similarly, find area A3. There is A to B, y is found. Here also 0 to 4 limit same limit. Y is what? X square by 4. Then 1 by 4 into 0 to 4 x square dx. Now integration of this one is the same thing only become 1 by 4 into x power 3 by 3, 0 to 4. 1 by 4, 4 cube minus 0 cube. Yes, 64. Sorry. So what is it now? 12, 1 by 12 into 64 minus 0 is 64. Now again write 4 level 16 by 3. This is a 3 square. Am I right? Now A to be what you have to know. A is what? Total area minus A to equal to total area. Total area square minus A1 plus A3. Total 64, 16 minus 16 by 3 plus 16 by 3. 16 by 32 by 3. Take LCM. Now 48 minus 32 equal to 16 by 3. Am I right? Of all the area will be equal. Am I right? That is it. The area A1, A2, A3 will be equal. That is answer. Am I right? You will find A1, A2, A3. A1 and A2 directly. A2 not possible directly. That's why I am writing A1, A3 first. Then total area minus A1 minus A1, A3 added together and subtract to get answer. Area A2. That is the answer. From the given data, all the diagram is important. Well, listen here. Suppose let the problem. Here, one curve is given. Parabola curve. Here, minimum point at P. Slope is given. What is asking now? Find the area bounded with the curve and the chord PQ. PQ means chord PQ line. the cycle is not given. But condition is given. One equation is given, the minimum point. The minimum point means local maximum minimum idea. That means difference is calculated here. What is the idea of local maximum minimum? Y given, difference is 1 time, which is equal to 0. You got to find the x value. Substitute the x value in the second derivative. If it is positive means minimum, then it is maximum. Once again, substitute the x value is given person, that's called minimum point. Slope already given. 1 point, 1 slope formula already know, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus formula. By using that idea, first point, the curve is minimum, you get the point, from the point and slope, you will find the equation. Then as usual, one segment given, one parallel given means combining both, solve 1 and 2, we get the point, from the point, plot the point, draw the diagram, from the diagram, which one will have the maximum area and minimum area, you will subtract, we get the answer. What is the x out here? You will find the second, that is x out. But minimum point is local maximum area. The given equation. Given 1 time, what is the formula? X minus 2 whole square, 2 into x minus 2 whole power 1 in a right? Each minus what? X minus 2 means 1 minus 1 in a right? Plus 1 is 0. 2 into x minus 2. Second one is what? 2 into 1 minus 1 is 2. First one is equal to 0. 2 into x minus 0 is equal to 2. Substitute x into 2 in the second derivative. We get the answer only 2 now. More than 0. Okay, it has local minimum. Therefore, it has local minimum. Substitute the x value in the given function. Y equal to 2 minus 2 whole square plus 1. That is 0 plus 1. So x value is 2, y value is 1. The minimum point is 2, 1. The point is find out. From the point, the slope is already known. The given slope is m equal to 2. One slope, 1 point for what is the formula? The equation is, the point equation is what? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute x1 y1. This is 2, 1. Slope value is 2. Simplify, we get the answer y equal to 2x minus 3. The first equation is the curve, second. To form the second, this is the extra work for you. Then previous area. What is the previous area? What? Let it go 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, this also y, this also y, equal in both. It is over a minus b whole square. All the from this side. Form the quadratic equation x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Product of the two numbers plus 8. Sum of them is minus 8. What are the number? Minus 2 and minus 4. Adding both minus 6. Multiply both 8 will come. Now factorize x minus 2, x minus 4. X is equal to 2, 4. Substitute x over here, 2 into 2. This is 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 1, x is 1. Sorry. X is 2, y is 1. 2, 1 is the first one. When x is equal to 4, 2 4 is 8. 8 minus 3, 5. The x is 4, y is 5. 5, 4, 5 is the another point. Now to the graph. Plot the points. The 2, 3, 4. The 4 point over here, 2 point here. This is side line. And also this parallel now. When x is equal to 0 means, what is the answer? When x is 2 means 2 minus 2 0 plus 1, y equal to 1. That means what? The point is 2, 1. The parallel also 2 is the least one. This is minimum point now. That's why this is the parabola. This side line. Now, what I told you? From 2 to 4 is the limit. The side line is the maximum area. What is the reason? From the side line to x axis is the maximum area. But the parabola to x axis is the minimum area. Because side line is above the parabola. Am I right? That's why the parabola having the minimum area. What is this part? Okay. But side line is having the maximum in the whole area. That's why y is minus y is the formula. That's why limit is what? 2, 4. Am I right? The side line is what? 2x minus 3 minus. Then parabola is what? X minus 1 square plus 1. Am I right? Now 2 to 4. 2x minus 3 minus x minus 2 whole square. Here minus 1. 1 is simplified. 2x audio minus 4. Here minus x minus 2 whole square. Am I right? Now integrate with respect to x. 2 into x square into 4 into x minus 2 whole cube by 3. This integration. Can you say no? Upper limit minus lower limit. 12 into over. Minus 23. Upper limit is what? X square, no? 4 minus 2, 2 cube minus. Lower limit 2, no? X 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 cube. Now 16 minus 4. So 4 into 2. Minus 1 by 3 into 8 minus 0. Okay? Get 12, 8 minus 8 by 3. Subtract 4 minus 8 by 3. 3 is, you know, 12 minus 8 is what? 4 by 3 square is the answer. You can answer 4 by 3. But anyway, this work is extra work actually. From here to here, is all previous area. 2 equation means combining both, solving both, they get the point. From the point, draw the rough diagram. From the diagram, which one is the maximum area and minimum area I go to guess. Maximum area always first minus second area. That's all. Listen here. Find the area of the region, circle and parabola. Put 2 in 1. Am I right? X square plus y square is what? 6x equal to 16. X square plus 6x minus 16 equal to 0. Product is minus 16, 6 minus 2, 8. Am I right? Now x minus 2 into x plus 8 equal to 0. X 2 comma minus 8. Am I right? When x equal to 2 comma y square is what? 16x. Put x equal to 2 in 2. Y square equal to 16 into 2. 12. Y equal to plus or minus 12 into 4 into 3. Plus or minus 2 into 3. Am I right? Therefore, the points are 2 comma 2 to 3 one answer, comma 2 comma minus 3 answer. The minus sign is not possible. Okay? Now draw diagram. This circle. Alright? X axis, y axis. This is a parabola. This area only asking. Okay? Okay, input is what? Here 2 comma 2. Okay? 2 comma x is 2, no 2. Here 0 comma 0. Here 2 comma 2 to 3 here point. Here 2 comma minus 2 3. Am I right? Here also x is 2 point. From 0 to 2, this is 0 to 2. This is actually what? Parabola area. 2 to 4. Here x square plus y square is 4. 16 is what? 4 square. Radius is what? 4. That's why here it's actually what? Here 4. Here 2. For 2 to 4 means this is called what? Okay. Circle area. The below parabola 0 to 2, this area only we get. Multiply to means this area. Then 2 to 4 circle area. What is circle? X square plus y square equal to x square plus y square is 16. This can minus 16 minus x square. Again y what? Root of 4 square minus x square. This y from the circle. Okay? The parabola is y square is 6x. Y what? Root of 6 y power half. Am I right? Here area is only one area. A to B, y is the formula. Now required area equal to 2 times area bounded by the parabola. Am I right? Plus area bounded by the circle. Am I right? Area bounded by the parabola y squared equals 6x between 0 and 2 plus 1. Am I right? Plus area bounded by circle x square plus y squared is 16 between 2 and 4. That's the part. For 2 times 0 to 2, parabola is what? Root 6 x power half dx. Plus 2 times 2 to 4, the circle is what? 4 square minus x square dx. By using the formula we get the answer. 2 into root 6 is constant. Integral this is what? X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Am I right? 0 to 2 into the formula for integration is root of a square minus x square formula. X by 2 is root of 4 square minus x square plus 4 square by 2 into sinus of x by 4. This is the formula. Here 2 to 4. Am I right? Now once again, multiply 4 root 6 by 3. Upper limit is what? 2 power 3 by 2 minus 1800. Multiply 2, the 2 will be cancelled. 16 minus x square. 2 cancelled. 16 sinus of x by 4. Am I right? Now only substitute limit. Now this actually what? 2 power 3 by 2 mean 2 power 3 by 2 mean 2 into root 2. Am I right? Upper limit is 4, you know. 16 minus 16. 4 square 16 not 0. 16 into sinus of 4 by 4 1. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit is what? Root of 16 minus 0 is 16. 16 into sinus of 0. Am I right? Now again simplify. 4 to 8. 8 by root 3 in root of 12. Am I right? Here 16 into sinus of 1 is what? 25 by 2 minus root of 16 is what? Only 4 minus sinus of 0 is 0. Am I right? 16 is 0. Now 8 by 3, the root 1 can have 4 into 3. That is 4 into 2 into root 3. Am I right? Cancel 8 by 2. The minus 4. Am I correct? This is 0. Now simplify we get answer. What is the answer? What is the answer? Sorry, boy, here. Upper limit is 0 to 2 right there. But here 2 to 4, you know. Upper limit, apply 4, here 0, sinus of 1. For 2, you know. What is answer? 16 minus 2 square is what? 16 minus 2 square is 4. Am I right? Plus 16 into sinus of x is 2, you know. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will come. Now, the 16 to 5 by 2 correct. Root of 12 is what? Root of 12, 4 into 3. 4 into 3 means 2 root 3. Am I right? Minus 16 into 1 by 2 means 5 by 6. Am I right? 3 table, 3 table. Now simplify. Minus 2 root 3, minus 8 by 3. Now 3 is LCM. Multiply 16 root 3, here 24 pi, minus 6 root 3, minus 8 by 3. Am I right? Now 16 pi. Now subtract 10 by 2 3. Am I right? By 3. Now what is LCM? What is common? LCM 3 over 16 by 1 more time I want to explain anything. Here actually the 2 outside the 2 is the norm. Multiply 2. So 2 cancel x is x coming. Root of x is root of something. 2 cancel 16 is something. Now upper limit is here. This can have 4 root 6 by 3. This is what? 2 in root 2. Am I right? Plus upper limit x is 4. 4 into 16 minus 4 plus 6 is 0. Plus 16 into sinus of 4 by 4 1. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit. 2, you know. 2. 2 means 2 into root of 16 minus 2 square 4 or 12. Plus 16 into sinus of x is 2 by 4 1 by 2. Now simplify equal to multiply 8 root 12 by 3 plus 16 into pi by 2 minus 2 into root 12, okay? Plus minus 16 into 1 by 2 means sin pi by 6. That's cancel. Am I right? Now this is cancel now. 8 times. Here, that's 3 times. 3 times. Now this can has 8 root 12 can has 4 into 3. So 2 into root 3 by 3, 8 by. Here also 2 into 2 root 3 minus 8 by 3. Now 3 is easy. 16 root 5 multiply by 3. 24 by whole root 3 minus 8 by 2. Am I right? Now simplify. Here 8, sorry 4 root 3, here plus 16 by 2. Now here 4 is common, root 3 plus 4 by 3 is answer. 4 common, root 3 plus 4 by 3 square root answer. Somebody let the calculation. You must know the formula clearly. This formula is what? Root of a square minus x square means x by 2 into root of a square minus x square. A square by 2 into sin of x by a. This is the formula. And I got the formula, the first place. This is the 5%. All the x squares are over. And also remaining example also important 5% mind you. From this exercise and the example you may expect 5 question. Here we are finding the area of 0 to 2 is this area around. In this area also, that's why multiply into this important. Am I right? You find the area 2 separate area. This is the only parallel area. Here only circle area. Then add together total area. That's all.